Do you know that what is the concept behind this GATE question which was asked in GATE 2013? This question was asked from subject control system from the topic board plot. And what they're asking, they have given a board plot. You have to tell that what is going to be the transfer function among these options. So what is an ideal transfer function? Ideal transfer function, open loop transfer function may have this form, k upon s to the power n, and you may have zeros and poles, right? This s to the power n will contribute the number of poles at the origin, correct? K is a constant. These are the zeros, simple zeros, and these are the simple poles. Now, first of all, you will determine the initial slope. So what is the initial slope of the line? It is not given. You have to calculate it. So initial slope you can calculate by using the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So these are going to be your x2 x1 y1, and these are going to be your x2 y2. Now when you will apply this formula, you will get the initial slope as minus 40 dB per decade. Initial slope is minus 40 dB per decade. That means we have a second order pole at origin, right? S to the power 2 term will be there. Okay. Now what should be the zeros and simple zeros and simple poles? So the magnitude plot is not doing anything else after that. So there is no pole and no zero present. Simple pole and simple zero present. Now after that you have to find what is going to be the value of k. So simply apply y equals to mx plus c at omega equals to 1 in this first line, and you will find the value of c to be 32. Now equate it to 20 log k, and you will get the value of k, which is 39.8. So in this way you will get your transfer function k upon s square, that is 39.8 upon s square, and in this way c is going to be the correct answer. So initial slope, the value of k, and what are the simple poles and simple zeros and where they are present, this is what you will determine, and you can easily crack this question of board plot.